is code are just like, this is such trash that I could just, like 6 lines of Perl would do this. I can't do that now. Boo. Boo. But, I mean, you definitely know what I mean, though. There is a point. There is a, like, I feel like when you have a thing, you should have, like, almost like a quick stand-up of just, like, how long would it take us to write another one of these versus how long would it take us to get all the dents out of this bastard? You know, it's just like... That's awful. That's genuinely a terrible Python. Yeah. Just vibe code Summer. Just get Claude to do it. What could possibly go wrong? Also, use up some tokens. Just go, hey, yeah, I squidged this into, you know, I squidged this into Claude or whatever nightmare fueled system you have. It spat this out. If you don't like it, that's very much on you. Gang, I need to go. One, because I can feel my blood sugar cratering and I need to do something about that. Also because it's just baking in here and I'm getting a sore bum. Raid, thank you, chum. I appreciate you reminding me to raid. Thank you. I need to click that one. I need to click that one. And then that one. Lovely to see you, chum. Lovely to see you all. Let us go and see. Well, look, it's Duck Thursday, isn't it? So let's go see some ferrets. No, wait. Gang, go say hello to the ducks. Check on this pace. If I get a picture of Mum's tea cozy, I will post it to the Discord. Until tomorrow, stay safe, remain lovely, have a nice big glass of water later on, and think about your posture. I'm going now. Goodbye.